Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
How do I change my car battery? Loosen the nut with a combination wrench, battery pliers, or a battery wrench. Disconnect the negative, or ground, black cable first, then the positive, red, cable. Note their positions, and make sure the battery terminals don't touch any metal mounting, body parts, or the engine. 24 February 2015.
Let's help you make your mark.
Batteries can become worn down in as little as 3 years, just like your computer or smartphone's battery becomes less efficient with every charge. Your car's battery gradually deteriorates every time it's charged up by the vehicle's engine. After 3 years, it's normally time to install a replacement. 9 December 2014.
Take our lead.
AAA car batteries are competitively priced. The average cost is about $139, and each comes with a 3-year replacement warranty. A new battery will last, on average, 3 to 5 years, but driving conditions, climate and maintenance will affect its lifespan.
Let's help you make your mark.
How to disconnect a car battery to reset the computer. Clean any corrosion off of the battery and terminals with a can of spray-on battery cleaner. Hold the positive and negative cable ends together so they're touching each other but not the battery. Wait 5 minutes for the diagnostic information to be erased.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.